LIATE. L means logarithmic function, I means inverse trigonometric functions, A algebraic function, T trigonometric functions, and E exponential function. We have to given x into e raised to x. To integrate this function, first function is x is algebraic function and e raised to x is exponential function. Therefore, we have to put first function is x and second function is e raised to x. Of these types, we have to take any examples and solve this. For this integration by parts, we have to take theorem. Write down statement. If u and phi are functions of x, if u and phi are functions of x, u and phi are functions of x, then prove that integration of u into phi dx is equal to u into integration of phi dx minus integration bracket d dx of u into integration phi dx into dx. We have to prove this type of product of two functions, integrate first function u and second function is phi, then we have to put first function as it is and integrate the second function minus integration bracket derivative of first function and integration of second function dx. That is, first function is differentiable, second function is integrable. Therefore, proof. Write down proof. We have to put first, let integration of phi dx, let integration of phi dx is equal to w. Then we have to take derivative of two sides with respect to x. Take derivative of two sides with respect to x. Therefore, dw by dx is equal to phi. Integration and derivative will be cancelled. Therefore, phi is equal to dw by dx. By the rule for the derivative, by rule for derivative product, derivative मतलब product rule पाहू आपण. d dx of u into w, d dx of u into w is equal to u as it is, derivative of w plus w function as it is, du by dx. U into who? That is u into phi product rule. We have to send by differentiation chapter of this. We have to take two functions u into w, u into derivative of w plus w into derivative of u. But we know dw by dx is equal to phi. Therefore, is equal to u into phi plus w into du by dx. We have to send first phi is equal to dw by dx, right? Then by the definition of integration, by definition of integration, then by the definition of integration, we have to take integration of u into phi plus w into du by dx into dx is equal to u into w. Integration and derivative will be cancelled. We have to remaining only u into w. Therefore, we have to write this as integration of u into phi dx plus integration of u into phi dx plus integration of w into du by dx into dx is equal to u into w. But we have to calculate the value of integration of u into phi dx. Then we have to take this will be in LHS. U into phi dx is equal to u into w minus w into du by dx into dx. Right? We have to take the integration w du by dx into dx on the right hand side, that is minus. Therefore we have to write the value of w is equal to u as it is integration of phi dx. The value of w is integration phi dx minus the value of w. We have to write integration of bracket du by dx as it is. In place of w we have to put the value of w is integration of phi dx as it is. Therefore integration of u into phi dx is equal to u into integration of phi dx minus integration bracket du by dx into integration of phi dx into dx. That is the proof of this theorem. We have to given two functions u and phi. U is differentiable function, phi is integrable function. Then we have to take u as first, phi is second function. Then we have to put first integration of phi dx, that is integral function phi dx is equal to w. Then take derivative of two sides with respect to x. Therefore dw by dx is equal to phi. Then take product rule for differentiation. We have to get integration of u into phi dx is equal to u into integration phi dx integration bracket du by dx into integration phi dx. For this theorem we have to solve in one example. First write solve x into e raised to x. Therefore solution, take first integration of x into e raised to x dx. We have to send LIATE for this logarithmic function, inverse trigonometric functions, a algebraic function. X is algebraic function, this will be first, and last exponential function, this will be second. Therefore we have to take which formula? Integration of u into phi dx is equal to u as it is integration of phi dx minus integration derivative of u into integration phi dx into dx. Therefore we have to take first I is equal to integration of x into e raised to x dx is equal to u as it is first function u as it is x into integration of e raised to x dx minus integration derivative of u is x into integration of e raised to x dx into dx is equal to x as it is e raised to x integration e raised to x minus integration derivative of x is 1 into integration of e raised to x is e raised to x dx is equal to x into e raised to x minus integration of e raised to x dx is equal to x into e raised to x minus e raised to x is equal to e raised to x is common in bracket x minus 1. That is your answer plus integration constant c. Therefore the integration of x into e raised to x dx is equal to e raised to x in bracket x minus 1 plus c. For this example we will take u is equal to x because the first is algebraic function and last is second one is exponential function. Therefore we have to take x as a first term, that is u, and e raised to x as phi. Therefore with this formula we know integration of u into phi dx is equal to u into integration phi dx minus derivative of integration derivative of u into integration of phi dx. Then we have to use this formula and we have to get the answer of, that is the derivative integration of x into e raised to x dx is equal to e raised to x into x minus 1 plus c, that is c is integration constant. Then we have to take similar examples. E raised to x into x square, e raised to x into x square. Therefore take I is equal to solution integration of e raised to x into x square dx. In this function, then we have to take first is algebraic function x square, second is exponential function dx, that is u, this will be phi. Then we have to use which formula? Integration of u into phi dx is equal to u into integration of phi dx minus integration bracket derivative of u into integration of phi dx. Therefore this type we have to write is equal to I is equal to u as function x square into integration of phi dx minus integration derivative of x square into integration of e raised to x dx. Next is equal to I is equal to u as it is x square as it is into integration of e raised to x is e raised to x minus integration bracket derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of x square is 2x into integration of e raised to x is e raised to x dx, right? Then 2 is integration constant outside the integration sign is equal to x square into e raised to x minus 2 x into e raised to x dx. Again this will be two functions, one is algebraic function and second is exponential function. Then again we have to use which formula? Integration of u into phi dx, it is I1. Therefore I1 is equal to integration of x into e raised to x dx. We have to solve this. I1 is equal to which function? U. This will be phi. X is u function, e raised to x is phi function, that is first function is x, second function is e raised to x. Then we have to write u as it is. Again we have to use formula x into integration of e raised to x minus integration derivative of x into integration of e raised to x dx is equal to x as it is, e raised to x integration e raised to x minus integration bracket the integration of derivative of x is 1 into integration of e raised to x is e raised to x dx is equal to x into e raised to x minus integration of e raised to x dx is equal to x into e raised to x minus e raised to x plus c. Therefore I is equal to, therefore we know I, x square into e raised to x minus 2 in bracket x into e raised to x minus e raised to x plus c. That is we have to write I is equal to x square into e raised to x minus 2 into x e raised to x minus 2 into minus plus e raised to x plus c. That is the integration of e raised to x into x square dx. We have to use formula product rule u into phi dx 2 times because we have to give an answer is first time we have to take integration. We have to take x square into e raised to x minus 2 integration of x into e raised. Again we have to get two functions, x and e raised to x. Then we have to use next again which formula? Product rule, that is u into phi dx, that is u into integration phi dx minus integration derivative of u into integration of phi dx. Then we have to get this answer. Of this type we have to again solve examples. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. X into log x, x into log x. This example we have to take I is equal to solution, I is equal to integration of x into log x dx. For this example or two functions LIATE use, LIATE. L means logarithmic function. We have to take first logarithmic function, then algebraic function. Therefore we have to take integration of log x is u into x dx. X is phi, right? Therefore I is equal to u as it is, log x as it is, into integration of x dx minus integration derivative of first function, derivative of log x into integration of x dx is equal to log x as it is into integration of x is x square by 2. Which formula we have to use? Integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, that is x square by 2. Integration of derivative of log x 1 by x into integration of x is x square by 2 dx, which is equal to log x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 2 constant x cancel, integration of x dx equal to log x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 2 integration of x is x square by 2 plus c, that is log x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 4 x square plus c, that is the integration of which function? X into log x dx. Of this type we have to use this formula and solve integrations, many more integrations. Or take x into e raised to minus 2x dx. Next example, evaluate x into e raised to minus 2x. For this example we have to use serial LIATE. First function we have to write first I is equal to integration of x into e raised to minus 2x dx. LIATE. This will be exponential function, this will be algebraic function. Therefore we will take first function is x, second function is e raised to minus 2x and solve them. First u as it is, x into integration of e raised to minus 2x minus integration derivative of x into integration of e raised to minus 2x dx and solve them. Of these types again example is given to solve at home. First example, write down. Evaluate the following integral. Evaluate the following integral. X into sin 2x dx. first x into sin 2x. Next example, x square into e raised to 3x. E raised to 3x. Next, number 3, write down x into cot square x. X into cot square x. Next, write down x square into sin x. X square into sin x. Next, only tan x. Only tan x. Next, we have to write down sin of log x. Sin of log x. Next, tan inverse of root x. Tan inverse of root x. Thanks. Stop here and solve them these examples.